Hello, I'm Mike Russo from Keysight Technologies. Today's oscilloscopes are equipped with unprecedented measurement capabilities and complexity. There are things like fast waveform update rates, sampling rates, digital channels, segmented memory, connectivity, serial bus decoding, built-in function generators, Bode plots, math functions, touch screens, and zone triggering. Personally, I'm beside myself. But lucky for me, Keysight takes pride in supporting the products that they make. And on October 27th, they'll be hosting a webinar on Oscilloscope Basics. I know I'll be attending, and maybe I can get rid of this guy. Now, if you too need some insight on new oscilloscopes, please join me by following the attached URL. Thanks a lot. Hope to see you there.